Hello, ladies and gentlemen. What are the issues a company faces with respect to security management? The very first thing which a company faces is identification of issues and vulnerabilities within the system, outside the system, or within the company. Right. You have a company, and in that company, data is coming from n number of sources, as well as data is transferring from one source to another, one place to another. So within this, identifying what is the issue, what is the vulnerability, and how it is coming. This is the main problem which is coming for a company, because there are n number of data entry points and it is continuously growing. So in order to identify the threat, identify the issue, it is the most challenging thing for a company. Now, let's say we have the data. After this, the second most important and most painful thing is categorizing the data. Categorizing the data, prioritizing it based on the company need, based on the company environment. Because domain to domain, it differs. You have to prioritize the data accordingly. What is important, what is most important, and what is most critical. You have to prioritize in such a way. And finally, the last challenge is presenting the data, making reports, and do reporting for such a data. And all these three problems cannot be solved manually, even for a small size company. Because with integration, with internet, and with web, the data is huge, and manipulating such data, processing such data will take new technologies, and for that we have to do automations. And for such reasons, there are a number of tools. ServiceNow security operations capabilities are very much in demand. And it is doing all such things automatically with the help of latest technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and n number of things. So first of all, the data is gathered from n number of sources. Automatically, it is integrated into a single system, and then finally it is analyzed. It is processed by using all these machine learning and other technologies, and then it is available for reporting for the IT team. This is what we are doing in ServiceNow Security Operation Management. So I hope you understand what are the problems, how to solve such problems, and what is the tool which is most helpful if you are using ServiceNow. Thank you.